If you're wondering how to shear or skew an object in Affinity, here are a few ways to do it. So first of all, let me grab the adhesive text tool and write something on my canvas. Let's just go with hello. I'll change the font. Then I'll switch to the move tool, scale it up, and set the alignment. Now to shear or skew it, I'll make sure the text is selected. Then I'll go to the transform panel. If you don't see the panel, just go to Window, General, and click Transform. It will show up on the right side. Now I'll head to the S field, which stands for shear, right here. I can drag the S or click the arrow and slide to adjust. I can also type the value directly. And there you go. The object is skewed. However, this is for horizontal shear only. The transform panel doesn't have a dedicated field for vertical shear, but there's a workaround. To apply the vertical shear, I can use a simple trick by combining the shear field and the rotation field. So if I want to achieve a 30-degree vertical shear, I'm gonna type 30 in the shear field and minus 30 into the rotation field. And here's the result. If I want to get a minus 30-degree vertical shear, I can type minus 30 into the shear field and 30 into the rotation field. And here's what we get. Another way to skew an object is by dragging it directly. Let me show you. With the move tool selected, if I want to skew horizontally, I'll position the cursor just slightly outside the top center handle until it turns into a bidirectional arrow. Then I'll click and drag to the right or left. I can drag from the outside of the bottom center handle too. If I want to skew vertically, I'll position the cursor a little outside the right center handle, then drag it up or down. I can also drag from the outside of the left center handle. And that's pretty much it. I hope this is useful for you. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and bye.